Okay, today is the 18th, and yesterday they were here tying the lath up, and today they're going to just put a little skim coat, hopefully, over the structure without the lath giving. Okay.
All the wet stuff that you see.
And that's it. You don't have any more, or you got a delivery coming?
I'm waiting. I got a 14 pallet delivery coming.
And how many guys you got working today?
There's 4 of us.
Well,
84 bags, 80 pounders.
Let's see what the inside looks like.
3 inches to get the rebar covered.
Okay, now notice this wall. This was after they had the technique of application and mix down, tweaked, the wall came out a lot straighter, and now the roof is being, a skim coat is being applied, and the skim coat on the roof will let that harden, and then another skim coat be put on top, and then you can really start putting concrete. Now what happened over here, as I tried to explain, weight is your enemy. Concrete is heavy, and although we're framing here, in reality, this shell does not require any framing if you put only a thin layer on at a time. Now this was the first wall they did, and by putting too much, you get a cave. Once this is all concreted in, it becomes a monolithic concrete building, all tied into the foundation. And then insulation on this house will be sprayed on roofing foam on the exterior. Okay, living room, bedroom,
Master bedroom.
master bedroom, utility, bathrooms, second bedroom, kitchen, dining,